KMRL planners face a nightly crisis, manually juggling spreadsheets and WhatsApp to schedule trains. This chaotic process is error prone, leading to unexpected cancellations and poor punctuality for thousands of commuters. We introduce MetroMind, an AI driven command center built to solve this exact problem. It automates the entire induction process, replacing chaos with data driven clarity and precision. MetroMind starts by integrating disparate data from Maximo, trackers, and certificates into a single hub. This eliminates recoilation. Our system first applies KMRL's operational tools to automatically filter train fitness. It then uses a multi-criteria algorithm to score and generate the optimal balanced schedule in seconds. To build trust with experienced planners, we added a simple feature. Why this train? With one click, it provides a plain English justification for the AI recommendation. Your expertise is irreplaceable. Our what if simulator allows you to override the plan and instantly see the impact on punctuality and maintenance before you finalize. The result is transformative. Protected punctuality above 99.5%, increased fleet availability, and major maintenance for cost savings. This ensures reliable
Oh
service for Kochi
no!
citizens. With MetroMind, KMRL is ready for the future. We enable a seamlessly our metro system that scales effortlessly, ensuring Kochi's metro remains a benchmark for excellence. Welcome to MetroMind. This dashboard is our central command. Instead of scattered spreadsheets, you now have a single screen that shows a real-time train status, current schedule health, and key alerts. This is your new home for induction planning. Watch as we pull live data. Here is a maintenance status from IBM Maximo. Here is a real-time mileage from onboard trackers. And here are digital certificate expiries. MetroMind unifies them all automatically, eliminating manual reconciliation errors. This is our core innovation. Let's see train list. Let's check what other trains are now running. Are no, yes. Why by clicking on why this train on any recommendation instantly reveals the reasoning. Plain English justifications like mileage threshold reached or branding contract priority build complete trust in the AI's logic. This is the journey from a stressful manual nightmare to a streamlined automated process. MetroMind empowers your planners with predictive insights, not just the raw data. We believe an AI must be understandable, not just intelligent. So we visualize the decision logic, showing you the exact data points that determine the train's priority. Once perfect, one click generates the final induction and stabling plan. A process that took hours now take minutes, is error-free and fully auditable. This is the future of metro planning. This is the Metro Mind.